Alright, so there it is. Got some good stuff, filled up the car, got me an extra 5 gallons to keep in the garage. 85 on the dot, perfect. Let me know what you guys think about the way it sounds. Hopefully it's coming across on video. It sounds awesome in person, so I mean I hope this conveys over the video the way it sounds for the most part in person, but I mean that usually never really happens, but hopefully it'll sound good for you guys. You know, I gotta take care of it and do things the best I can with it, just to keep you know, so I can get to work to pay for this thing. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks, man.
I just bought this. I was going to get a 10-speed auto.
Oh, were you?
But I had a bitch Crown. I love Camaros. I love Mustangs, too. It sounds good.
Thanks, man. It's 10.
Love it.
Man. It's got such a good tone to it, you know, as long as you throttle it how you would normally drive, it's not overly loud, it's livable, you know, it just, as soon as you get on it, you know, you just give it a little, see, that's just barely tipping into the throttle. If you want it to get loud fast, your right foot controls all that. So I mean, there's times where I can cruise around, you barely even know that there's a loud exhaust like that on the car. So it just depends on how you drive. And then of course some of the tones change just a slightly as the gears get held a little longer as you go into sport mode, track mode, things like that. So normal driving mode is obviously your most economical mode. However, with the Lund tune, the drive mode, the regular drive mode is the optimized tune for shifting and power and everything. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'm happy with it. Bit of off the wall action there, literally.